As President's rule in Manipur nears completion of 1 full year on February 13, and as speculation grows about formation of popular government, ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi left for New Delhi today. According to our sources, they have been invited by central BJP leaders before their departure for New Delhi, and Biren did not make any comments on restoration of popular government in Manipur. He, however, conveyed confidence that centre will take stringent action on destruction of border fencing along India-Myanmar boundary. Meanwhile, the president's rule in Manipur is about to complete a year on February 13. Several meetings had been convened by centre in the past months where MLAs from all communities attended the meeting. While some MLAs have hinted for early restoration of elected government in some state, MLAs have expressed apprehensions. Meanwhile, in a recent interview to Poknafam newspaper, Kurai MLA Susildro has informed that all MLAs in Manipur have reached consensus to accept the name proposed by centre to be the chief minister. He, however, hinted on the possibility of further extension of president's rule, citing some external influence working against a restoration of popular government in the state.